Tired all the TV. 97 came in making a lot of knocking noise to get it for a while. I moved through the closet to make a lot of knocking noise, but it's making a very loud knocking noise. I have no clue why. That changed the world yesterday. Put some switch in my mouth.